Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain all you need to know to use Alex Audio Butler in Premiere. To learn how to install and authorize the plugin suite, please check out our video on the subject. With Alex Audio Butler, you'll create great sounding videos without needing to think about audio. But you do need to set up Alex Audio Butler correctly, so it can do its magic while you're editing. Step 1. The best moment to add Alex Audio Butler to your project is at the start, or just after you've created a rough edit. This allows the plugins to analyze your project while you're working. On every audio track, insert a matching type of Alex Audio Butler. Open the audio track mixer by pressing Shift-6. If you don't see the Effects Sends section, expand it with the triangle in the top left. Click the triangle of the top slot of each track and go to VST3, Tools, Unimule, and choose between voice, music, or sound effects, depending on the content of the audio track. You can create any amount of tracks you need. There is also a master plugin that goes on the rightmost track, which is the master track. From now on, Alex Audio Butler remembers all audio that's been played back and continuously updates its internal analysis to create the right mix. You can immediately hear the results.
Illustration: The Pianist. Imagine practicing a piano piece. An expert memorizes the music and thus can look at the keyboard while performing those long jumps. That may be an easier task than reading the music while attempting to strike the correct keys.
Please be aware that Alex Audio Butler cannot know anything about parts that haven't been played back at least once, or have been changed since the last playthrough. Keep an eye on the status window to see if the analysis is up to date. Step 2. Every project needs a different kind of audio mix, ranging from natural and relaxed to loud and energetic. Alex Audio Butler lets you achieve your audio goals without thinking about things like dBs or hertz. Open the settings of the plugin by double-clicking its effects slot. If you want to open multiple windows at the same time, enable Targeted in the top right of the plugin window. Here, I'll go through some of the music settings to hear how it immediately changes the mix. Any type of music will be set to the same loudness with target volume, even if you have multiple different clips on one track. The three options in auto ducking control how much quieter the music will be when there is dialogue in another track. Alex Audio Butler creates nice fades between the two and will keep updating their positions if you change your edit.
Illustration: The Pianist. Imagine practicing a piano piece. An expert memorizes the music and thus can look at the keyboard while performing those long jumps. Imagine practicing a piano piece. An expert memorizes the music and thus can look at the keyboard while performing those long jumps.
Step 3. Before you export, it's good to take a second to check if Alex Audio Butler has analyzed your most recent edit. If you always do a full playthrough before exporting, this will automatically be the case. If you have not made any audio changes since then, you're good to go. If you're not sure, the quickest way to let Alex Audio Butler scan all audio is with an audio-only export. Think of this as a pre-render pass that gives Alex Audio Butler the opportunity to fully analyze your sequence. Now you are ready for the final export. After exporting, always check the status window to make sure the audio mix has succeeded. If for some reason it didn't, the next export will have an updated analysis. This is based on the previous export to make sure it succeeds this time. That's it. This video was mixed with Alex Audio Butler tool. Thanks for watching. Now go and create some nice videos or something.